The US has really led markets over the past 18 months or so, but we are seeing parts of the European market look really attractive. And we're beginning to see companies lean into this AI revolution. Some companies are really geared to this theme of powering the data center. Schneider is a good example here. Their portfolio of data center offerings is really one of the broadest of peers. And when we're thinking about this AI build-out, in our opinion now, the crucial bottleneck is actually about powering the data center. AI workloads are phenomenally power hungry. AI servers are about 10 times more power intensive than your traditional sort of CPU server. So companies that can provide offerings to enhance efficiency within the data center are in a really strong position. And so some of these legacy industrial companies that have really been out of favor for much of the past decade are now really coming into their own, and we see potential for European companies there.
So that also points then overall to an uptick in companies outside of the Magnificent Seven, or Mag 4, Mag 5, whichever you choose to look at it. And that's a significant broadening, I suppose, in the overall tech and consumer or IT space as well, right?
Absolutely. I mean, we see many more opportunities below that Magnificent Seven because we're entering into a new technology cycle. This is driven by AI, but it requires an entirely new technology stack. You've got new AI infrastructure, new AI models, enterprise sort of engineering tools, and AI applications. And so the competition to get into this new stack is fierce. And we're seeing lesser-known companies shaping up to be really integral players in this stack. A company like Cadence, who actually make the software and the tools that design NVIDIA AMD's chips. This is a company no one really talks about, but it's got a third of the market, and it announced last week these new emulation tools that can design chips 5 times the size of the largest chip in the world, Blackwell. This would be a chip with 1 trillion transistors.